If you're having trouble viewing or updating your online Square dashboard, the first step is to troubleshoot your internet browser. Each browser is different, but there are a few troubleshooting steps you can try that apply to all browsers. Make sure your browser is up to date. Most browsers update automatically, but check your browser version and update manually if needed. Clear your browser history. Accessing the Help menu on your browser should provide you step-by-step instructions on how to get started. Switch to a different browser. While the Square dashboard works with a variety of browsers, sellers have the greatest success with Google Chrome, Safari, and Firefox. Keep in mind, Internet Explorer is not supported at this time. Once you're done, close your browser, start a new session, and head to your online Square dashboard. To learn more, head to square.com/help and search keywords dashboard troubleshooting.